Bye, babe.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna need some help in welcoming them on stage.
Okay, do you see our beautiful contestants out there, everybody? Let's give a round! Woo-hoo! Come, sweetie, come way over here. Look at how beautiful you are. Okay, way over here, honey, come way over here. Okay, look in the front. Look in the front. Look at our beautiful judges. Can you see the judges in the front of you? That's all. See all of these guys over here? Yeah. They look kind of scary, yeah? But it's okay. They're really good. Oh, honey. It's okay, honey. It's okay. You're going to do fast one. Oh.
I think you scared her more.
Okay, mommy, you sit right there. Are you mommy? Ooh, please. Okay, little ones, are you ready? Make your pose, strike your pose. Make a beautiful pose, strike your pose. Hands up in the air, girl, hands up in the air. All right, okay, hands, one hand in the front and one hand in the air. Look in the front, you see mommy, auntie, uncle, wink your eye. Whoa, okay, girl, you got it made, girl, you got it. Okay, honey, you come over here. We got plenty of room over here. Okay, put your hands up, strike a pose.
On your mark.
Put your hands here. Make pretty. Woo-hoo!
Get set.
Are we ready, everybody? Our baby's exhibition. Let's go! More.
Out of my
Let's go, babies. Dance, honey, dance.
Oh, we've got one that's ready to go.
Turn around. And shake really fast. Ready, go. Shake your hips, go. Faster. Woo-hoo! Wow, look at her go. Come on, sweetie, shake your hips. You can do it. Let's go, Sam. Shake your hips. Woo-hoo! Shake your hips, honey. Shake your hips. Hey, turn around, face mommy and daddy. And big shake. Let's go. Turn around, face mom and dad. Let's go, mom and dad. I don't hear you. Ah!
All right. Very good.
Hey, come on, uncle.
Let's keep them there. Let's keep them on stage, Kathy.
Oh, leave 'em.
Let's hold them there.
Come here, honey.
We got actually a little
Right
gift
here.
for them.
Stay on stage. Scoot over, baby. Come on.
We've got a little gift for them. They did such an awesome job today. And a
Yes,
big
they
thank you to
did.
each and every one of them. How about another big round of applause?
Let's go, sweetheart. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's for you. Wow.
I think the bag is bigger than them.
Okay. One more. We got 3 more out here. Thank
costumes. I think we can borrow the costumes afterwards. What do you think?
Can cover one of my legs.
Actually, it's too big